This video brings you the latest updates on the Philips CPAP recall lawsuits, aiming to provide insight both into current litigation and potential settlement amounts for cases that could very well settle in 2024. Philips CPAP devices for sleep apnea were recalled in June 2021. If you're watching this, you probably already know about this, so we don't need to explain much. The recall was due to the devices containing sound abatement foam that could degrade, potentially causing users to inhale harmful foam particles that have been linked to respiratory conditions and even cancer, sparking a wave of product liability lawsuits. The CPAP lawsuits have been consolidated into a class action MDL in the Western District of Pennsylvania. As of March 2024, there were over 700 pending cases. An MDL consolidates individual cases for pretrial proceedings, allowing each plaintiff to have their own separate case that can potentially go to trial independently. By contrast, in a traditional class action, all plaintiffs are represented as a group in a single lawsuit. There are not many CPAP lawyers willing to make any predictions about settlement compensation. Why? Because we could be wrong, very wrong. But you should know what we're thinking, and we'll provide that to you here. The strength of the scientific evidence developed in these cases suggests potential settlement payouts in the best cases ranging between $100,000 and $500,000. The highest tier of settlements is expected for plaintiffs diagnosed with lung cancer or head and neck cancer. Lower tier cases will include injuries like asthma, COPD, pneumonia, or pulmonary fibrosis. Additionally, a significant number of cases involving non-permanent respiratory conditions could potentially settle for low amounts between $5,000 and $20,000. Settlements in the CPAP MDL will probably employ a point system to determine compensation amounts. This system would assign points based on factors like injury type and severity, impact on quality of life, and economic losses. More severe injuries or outcomes, such as a diagnosis of lung cancer, will receive higher points compared to less severe conditions like temporary respiratory issues. Plaintiffs with higher point totals will get bigger settlement payouts. In February 2024, a special settlement mediator was appointed. Philips has expressed a desire to get a global CPAP settlement done so that they can move on and repair their image. However, the wide range of health complications associated with CPAP devices is making a global settlement deal complicated. Also, the first bellwether trial is not set until 2025, which means Philips is not under any real time pressure to get a settlement done. If you've experienced adverse health effects from using a recalled Philips CPAP device, you want to consult with legal professionals for a free case evaluation. You want to know your rights and potential pathways for seeking compensation. If you want to call us, you can reach us at 800-553-8082.